Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. Today's job lead is from the Home Security System, ADT. They are hiring a remote inbound monitoring representative to monitor all the security systems and make sure to help keep people safe. Real quickly, before we dive into all of the details, the links, if you're interested in applying, are always in the YouTube description box below. And of course, if you find this or anything that I share helpful, please give my videos a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that I am being helpful to someone. But a monitoring representative is a customer service position. Now, one thing to note really quickly before we move on, they are hiring in select states in the United States. Real quickly, those are Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, Nebraska, New Hampshire, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. So if you're in one of those states and you do not mind customer service, ADT is looking for someone to provide excellent customer service, troubleshooting their problems, and providing a technical support along with monitoring the alarms. You'll receive inbound related calls to recent alarm events. You'll provide basic technical support and troubleshooting devices across the ADT systems. Sometimes people just need to know how to cut their alarm off. They accidentally tripped it themselves, and sometimes there is an actual emergency. So on top of handling the technical support, you'll also handle the incoming alarm calls, and you'll pick up the phone and make outgoing calls to the different emergency services, dispatching the proper authorities, whether you need fire, police, ambulance, those sorts of things. You are going to make sure that those people get life-saving services if they actually need them. So you are monitoring all the alarms that go off and come in. So you need to be able to pay attention to detail and document all of the alarm handling processes. Now, this does not require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or equivalent, 1 year of customer service experience, and you have to be a problem solver. That is all of their requirements, and the pay for this role ranges anywhere from $14.50 an hour all the way up to $18.10 an hour. And of course, they do offer a benefit package that includes healthcare benefits and 401k. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I am always reading those and keeping that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.